Hey Mike, this is Don Cunningham. Um, I wanted to talk to you today about some things that you can do, about three things you can do to increase and improve your visibility on Google. You did mention that you wanted to make some changes, so here we go. So the three things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the first thing is the content on we're talking about the content on your home page. I have your site up here. It's it's a very interesting site. So the thing is, on the content, you have pictures, words, you can have video, but the main thing is that when Google crawls a website, it's looking at the word content. So, and then you want to have included in that word content, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches to find you. And it's also been found that Google um, sites rank better when you have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. So I did a word count on your home page. You have about 730 words on your home page. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Suggest, and what it does is an analytical tool that it gives me a background details of what Google is looking at when it's ranking a website. I did a scan of I did an audit of your homepage, and so it's showing here that you are being found for 27 organic keywords and you have 364 backlinks, which is good. And then we can take a look here and we can see, yeah, we can see here the keywords that you're being found for. Okay, I have here the website of one of your top competitors, Dr. Dryer Duct Cleaning. Um, and they are uh, ranking on the first page when the Google search is done. We take a look at their website. I like the way yours opens up better. Okay, we have a lot of blank space here. I don't know what that's about. That's something you don't want to do. Okay, now we're talking about word content. They have 1,355 words on their home page. Okay, this is a site audit of your competitor in Uber Suggest. And as you can see here, they are being found for 35 keywords and 131 backlinks. You have quite a few more backlinks pointing to your site, but could be a reason for that. Um, it depends on the quality of the links, which rather than just the number of the links. And then you see over here, if you come over here on page SEO score is 90. And I think, let's go to your site. Okay, this is your audit. So see your SEO on page score was 69. So they have more keywords and the only thing you have more backlinks, but then as I say, it's depending on the quality of the backlink is where they're coming from as to how they might be ranked. So what a backlink is when one website links back to another website online. And the site, what it does is it gives the site being linked to authority. But as I said, you want relevant backlinks and you don't want spammy backlinks. So that could make a difference in the why their site, your competitor's site, is ranking higher than yours. Is the relevance and the quality of the backlinks, because the backlinks need to be relevant to what your website is all about. Okay, the third thing I wanted to talk about is citations. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number, which we also call a NAP. But the important thing about the NAP is you want to have your NAP listed in online directories. Okay, so now these are some of the directories that your NAP could be listed in. Yahoo, Bing, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and so on. And in addition to these that are shown here, there's couple hundred other directories that your NAP could be listed in. But the thing we would want to do is to make sure that your NAP is there's a site that I can go to called Bright Local, and on that site it'll show me exactly how many directories your NAP is listed in, and how many directories your competitor's NAP is listed in. So what we could do there is we could match that and then get you listed in even more directories than your competitor. Okay, well that's it in a nutshell. We went over um, content, backlinks, and citations. With content, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your website. And then also you want to include keywords that your competitor is being found for, as well as the keywords that you're being found for. And then for backlinks, as we talked about that, it depends on the quality of the backlinks. So we would have to look at to see, make sure that the links, the sites linking back to your site are relevant to your site and that they're quality links. But in addition to that, then we can get even more backlinks for you that will still give you a higher count than your competitor. And then we talked about citations. You want to have your NAP listed in more directories, more online directories than your competitor, which gives you more relevance in a Google search. You had mentioned that you were thinking of changing your website, so this would be a great opportunity to address these issues that we've uncovered on this website and make sure that we get those are addressed on the new website, which should make your new website more relevant and more ranked higher on Google. So I hope what I've showed you, has been informative and you like what I've showed you. So if you have any more questions or would like to talk more about what we can do, um, then please give me a call. My name is Don Cunningham. My number is 714-473-0269. Again, it's Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks, Mike. Have a great day.